exploring Canada's top 10 banks, stability, services, and strengths. Hey everyone, welcome back to Ask Canada. Today, we're diving into the world of Canadian banking. Canada's banking system is renowned for its safety and stability, consistently ranking among the top globally. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 banks in Canada, including the major players and some notable regional banks. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the top 10 banks in Canada. These banks are integral to the financial landscape of the country, providing a wide range of services from personal banking to global market investments. Let's break it down. 1. Royal Bank of Canada, RBC. At number 1, we have the Royal Bank of Canada, or RBC. RBC is the largest bank in Canada by assets, controlling around $1.7 trillion. Founded in 1864 in Halifax, Nova Scotia, RBC moved its headquarters to Toronto, Ontario, and has grown to operate globally in over 36 countries. RBC started as a regional bank serving maritime provinces and expanded rapidly, acquiring smaller banks and diversifying its services. Today, it offers personal and commercial banking, wealth management, insurance, and capital market services. Its consistent innovation and focus on customer service have cemented RBC's position as a leader in the financial industry. 2. Toronto Dominion Bank, TD. Next, we have the Toronto Dominion Bank, commonly known as TD. TD is the second largest bank in Canada, with assets totaling $1.5 trillion. Founded in 1855 as the Bank of Toronto and the Dominion Bank, the two merged in 1955 to form TD. Headquartered in Toronto, TD has a major retail presence across Canada and the United States. TD's early growth was fueled by serving farmers and small businesses in Ontario. Over the decades, it expanded its services to include a wide range of financial products, from everyday banking to wealth management and insurance. TD's commitment to technology and customer satisfaction has made it a favorite among consumers. 3. Bank of Nova Scotia, Scotiabank. Coming in at number 3 is the Bank of Nova Scotia, or Scotiabank. Scotiabank is the third largest bank by assets, handling around $1.2 trillion. Founded in 1832 in Halifax, Nova Scotia, it initially focused on facilitating trade between Britain, North America, and the West Indies. Today, headquartered in Toronto, Scotiabank operates in North America, Latin America, and parts of Asia. The bank offers personal and commercial banking, wealth management, and global banking and market services. Its international reach, especially in Latin America through acquisitions like Grupo Financiero Invela in Mexico, gives it a unique position among Canadian banks. 4. Bank of Montreal, BMO. Fourth on our list is the Bank of Montreal, or BMO. BMO controls assets worth $976 billion, making it the fourth largest bank in Canada. Founded in 1817, it's the oldest bank in Canada, with its first branch in Montreal, Quebec. BMO played a pivotal role in financing major Canadian infrastructure projects, including the Canadian Pacific Railway. Today, it has a significant presence in the United States, operating under the BMO Harris Bank brand. BMO offers a variety of services, including personal and commercial banking, wealth management, and investment banking. Its long history of innovation and customer focus makes it a trusted name in banking. 5. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, CIBC. In fifth place, we have the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, or CIBC. CIBC, founded in 1961 through the merger of the Canadian Bank of Commerce and the Imperial Bank of Canada, holds assets totaling $763 billion. Headquartered in Toronto, it primarily operates in Canada, and the US CIBC's roots trace back to 1867, and its merger in 1961 was one of the largest in Canadian banking history. The bank offers personal and business banking, wealth management, and capital market services. Its strong focus on client relationships and comprehensive service offerings have made it a significant player in the financial sector. 6. National Bank of Canada. Sixth on the list is the National Bank of Canada. With assets of $370 billion, the National Bank of Canada is headquartered in Montreal and was founded in 1859. It began as a regional bank serving French-speaking Canadians and grew to become the largest bank in Quebec. National Bank provides personal, commercial, wealth management, and financial market services. Its deep roots in Quebec and commitment to supporting local businesses and communities make it a vital part of the Canadian banking landscape. 7. Laurentian Bank of Canada. Next up is the Laurentian Bank of Canada, coming in at number 7. Laurentian Bank, headquartered in Montreal, holds $45 billion in assets. Founded in 1846 as Banque d'Épargne de la Cité et du District de Montréal, it was initially focused on providing savings accounts to working-class citizens. Today, Laurentian Bank focuses on personal and commercial banking primarily within Quebec. Its commitment to serving the local community and personalized banking solutions have established it as a respected regional bank. 8. Canadian Western Bank. 8th on our list is the Canadian Western Bank. Canadian Western Bank, founded in 1984 and headquartered in Edmonton, controls $37 billion in assets. It was created to serve the unique financial needs of Western Canadian communities, particularly in Alberta and British Columbia. The bank offers personal and business banking services, with a strong focus on small and medium-sized enterprises. Its regional focus and specialized services cater to the unique needs of Western Canadian communities. 9. ATB Financial. At number 9, we have ATB Financial. ATB Financial, a provincial crown corporation based in Alberta, holds assets worth $32 billion. Founded in 1938 to provide financial services to Albertans during the Great Depression, ATB has grown to offer personal and business financial services across the province. Its deep-rooted presence in Alberta and commitment to local communities make it a key player in the regional banking sector. 10. Tangerine Bank. And finally, at number 10, we have Tangerine Bank. Tangerine Bank, a subsidiary of Scotiabank, provides online banking services across Canada with no physical branches. Originally launched as Inc. Direct Canada in 1997, it was acquired by Scotiabank in 2012 and rebranded as Tangerine in 2014. Tangerine offers a range of convenient and user-friendly banking services, catering to the modern consumer looking for seamless online banking experiences. While Canada's major banks offer similar services and compete across most categories, each has unique histories, strengths, and strategies that have allowed them to maintain leadership positions for over a century. The country's smaller banks also play a vital role, specializing in specific offerings and meeting diverse consumer and business needs. That wraps up our look at the top 10 banks in Canada. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Comment below which bank you think is the best and why. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.